Meaning of Glen More.
Glen More.
Glen More.
Glen More.
Glen More. Glen More is a name with Scottish Gaelic origins, which translates to Great Valley. It can refer to multiple places in Scotland, including the Glen More Distillery in Speyside and the Glen More Forest Park in the Cairngorms National Park. The name denotes a place of natural beauty and lush greenery, surrounded by rolling hills and majestic peaks. It is a highly evocative term that invokes images of pristine wilderness and rugged terrain, making it a fitting moniker for many locations throughout Scotland.